Hello students, welcome back to online classes. This is a continuation of lecture number 4 of gamma decay. In previous class we discussed about the Weisskopf estimation for electrical transition. Okay. Now in this point or in this lecture we are going to discuss one more point, that is Weisskopf estimation for magnetic transition. Okay. I directly don't go to Weisskopf estimation for magnetic transition. First I write the Weisskopf estimation for electrical transition. Okay, I write the equation for Weisskopf estimation of electrical transition. Okay, this is the equation. B is the Weisskopf estimation for electrical multipolarity. This E lambda represents the B represents the Weisskopf estimation, E represents the electrical multipolarity. This term is lambda represents the multipolarity. Weisskopf estimation for electrical multipolarity for the transition of particle, that is single particle, from initial state to ground state or final state is given by 1.2 raised to 2 lambda divided by 4 pi into 3 divided by lambda plus 3 raised to 2 into a raised to 2 lambda divided by 3 e square into femtometer raised to 2 lambda. Okay, about this equation we study in detail in lecture number 4. Okay, this is equation number 1. This is the equation 1 is the Weisskopf estimation for electrical transition from a ground state, from initial state to ground state. Okay, we substitute the lambda value equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and we calculate the estimation value of electrical transition in a previous class. Okay, by using equation 1, now I write the Weisskopf estimation for magnetic transition. I just modify this equation. Okay, now Weisskopf estimation for magnetic transition is given by okay, now just B is the Weisskopf estimation. In place of E I write M. This is magnetic multipolarity. Weisskopf estimation for magnetic multipolarity of single particle transition from initial state to ground state is given by, it is 10 upon 5 into 1.2 raised to 2 lambda minus 2 into 3 divided by lambda plus 3 raised to 2 into a raised to 2 lambda minus 2 divided by 3 into mu n square into femtometer raised to 2 lambda minus 2. This is equation number 2. This equation represents the Weisskopf estimation for magnetic transition. Okay, just I modify this equation. You remember the equation number 1, then you easily write the equation number 2. Just what are the modifications in this term? Okay, in first part eliminate 1 by 4, write 10 upon pi. Okay, and write 1.2 raised to 2 lambda as it is. the lambda term, that is multipolarity term, wherever in power, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ದೊಳಗದ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ -2 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪವರ್, just -2, make it -2. Then this term write as it is, 3 divided by lambda plus 3 raised to 2. Okay, don't change here. Okay, wherever, just remember the thing clearly, wherever multipolarity, that is lambda term is in power, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ದೊಳಗದ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾವು -2 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ this lambda multipolarity term is in denominator, don't change, write as it is. Okay, next here write a raised to 2 lambda, it multipolarity term is in power, make it -2 divided by 3. Here in case of electrical transition we use charge, but in case of magnetic transition we use this mu n, where mu n is the nuclear magnetic moment, where mu n is the nuclear magnetic moment. And next into femtometer, femtometer write as it is, raised to 2 lambda, lambda multipolarity term is in power -2. Okay, this is equation number 2. How I write equation 2 from equation 1. What are the terms involved? B is the Weisskopf estimation, m lambda is the magnetic multipolarity of single particle transition from initial state to ground state. Okay, here in this 10/5 is a numerical constant and lambda is the multipolarity. Here also lambda is multipolarity, and here one thing changes. In previous case in electrical transition they use the charge, E is the charge. Here in this magnetic transition mu n is the nuclear magnetic moment, mu n is the nuclear magnetic moment. Okay, next femtometer, here lambda once again multipolarity. Just remember one thing, wherever multipolarity term is in power, ಪವರ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು -2 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಚಾರ್ಜನ್ನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ Weisskopf estimation for magnetic transition. Okay, now I substitute the value. Okay, if I substitute lambda equal to 1 in above equation, substitute lambda equal to 1 in above equation and calculate the estimation value, Weisskopf estimation value for magnetic monopole. When we use lambda equal to 1, it is magnetic monopole. Substitute lambda equal to 1 in this equation. 10/5, 1.22, lambda substitute 1. Okay, 3 by lambda equals 1, 1 plus 3 square, a raised to 2 into lambda, 2 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 mu n square, femtometer 2, lambda is there, substitute 1, 2. Okay, calculate. Here 10 divided by 3.142 pi value, this is 1.2, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, next 3 divided by 4 raised to square, a raised to 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 by 3. Next mu n square, here femtometer, femtometer 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 is 0. Okay, 10 divided by 3.142 is 3.182, anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay, next here 3 divided by 4 raised to 2 whole power, its value is into 0.5625. Okay, here a raised to 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is 0, that is 0 by anything is 0, anything raised to 0 is into 1. I write mu n as it is, mu n square. And femtometer we know that 10 to the power of minus 15 raised to 0, that is its value is also once again anything raised to 0 is 1. I write the values here, 3.182 into 1 into 0.5625 into 1 into mu n square into 1. Okay, multiply these values, we get nearly it is 1.790 into mu n square. Okay, here we know that mu n is nuclear magnetic moment. Okay, it is given by mu n is nuclear magnetic moment, it is given by EH cross divided by 2mp. Substitute here 1.790 into EH cross divided by 2mp square is there. Here in this equation, E is the charge of the proton, H cross is H upon 2 pi, where H is Planck's constant, mp is the mass of the proton. This is the nuclear magnetic moment. This is the value of Westkopf estimation when lambda is equals to 1. You calculate lambda equal to 2. Substitute lambda equal to 2 in this equation and calculate the value and send to me. Okay, this is for you. This is homework for you. Okay. This is about the Westkopf estimation for magnetic transition. Just you remember equation 1, that is Westkopf estimation for electrical transition. On the basis of that, write the Westkopf estimation for magnetic transition and substitute lambda equal to 1, and in that equation calculate, we get this value. We can calculate for, by using this equation we can calculate for lambda equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, thank you. This is about Westkopf estimation for magnetic transition.